Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a detailed breakdown of the economic implications of customer retention rate in a contact center. Let's start with the revenue protection and growth impact of customer retention. First, stable recurring revenue. High retention ensures a predictable and stable revenue base through ongoing subscriptions, renewals, and service fees. This stability gives the business financial confidence and planning power. Second, higher customer lifetime value. Every additional month or year that a customer stays extends their CLV, creating a compounding revenue effect over time. Third, upsell and cross-sell opportunities. Loyal customers are more open to premium upgrades, add-ons, and bundled services, turning retention into a growth engine, not just a defensive play. For example, if the average CLV is $1,200 and retention improves from 90% to 93% on a 10,000 customer base, the business protects an additional $360,000 annually. Remember, every extra customer you retain isn't just a number, it's real, sustainable revenue. Let's talk about how strong customer retention drives cost efficiency in a contact center. First, lower acquisition costs. When customers stay longer, the business needs to spend less on acquiring replacements, significantly reducing overall CAC. Second, stronger marketing and sales ROI. Retention ensures that the money spent on marketing and sales is maximized, because fewer customers are lost early in the life cycle. Third, reduced service recovery costs. With fewer lost customers, there's less need for win-back offers, discounts, or compensation, which directly lowers operational costs. Remember, the cheapest customer to serve is the one you've already earned and successfully retained. Let's talk about the operational impact of strong customer retention. First, lower call volumes for complaints. When customers are stable and satisfied, they generate fewer escalations and fewer complaint calls, which reduces cost per call and operational strain. Second, improved agent productivity. Agents can spend less time on churn prevention, firefighting, and more time on meaningful resolution, upselling, and proactive service activities that create more value. Third, WFM stability. Predictable retention patterns lead to better workforce forecasting, reducing overtime costs and minimizing understaffing risks. Remember, better retention doesn't just improve customer experience, it makes operations smoother, leaner, and more efficient. Let's look at the contractual and SLA benefits of strong customer retention. First, BPO contracts. In many outsourcing agreements, higher retention is directly tied to performance bonuses or the ability to avoid costly penalty fees. Hitting retention targets can have a real financial impact on the bottom line. Second, client satisfaction. For BPO providers, strong retention metrics signal consistent quality, building client trust and confidence. This leads to smoother renewals and longer contract extensions. Remember, retention isn't just about customers. In BPO models, it's also about protecting and growing client relationships. Let's talk about the competitive and strategic benefits of strong customer retention. First, market share protection. High retention stabilizes your customer base, making it harder for competitors to gain ground and steal market share. Second, brand equity. When customers stay loyal, your brand reputation grows stronger, making it easier and cheaper to attract new customers through trust and advocacy. Third, investor confidence. Predictable revenue streams and a loyal customer base boost company valuation, especially in industries like SaaS, telecom, and BFSI. Remember, retention doesn't just protect what you have. It creates strategic strength that fuels sustainable growth. Let's talk about the negative economic and operational implications of low customer retention. First, revenue erosion. Even a 1% drop in retention can compound into massive annual revenue losses, especially in subscription-driven or recurring revenue models. Second, rising CAC. When more customers leave, more money must be spent on replacing them, driving acquisition costs higher and squeezing margins. Third, damaged reputation. High churn often triggers negative reviews, making it harder and more expensive to acquire new customers. Fourth, operational strain. More cancellations, more complaints, and more recovery calls increase workload and inflate service costs. Remember, low retention doesn't just affect the top line. It ripples across the entire business, weakening both financial performance and operational stability. Let's talk about the positive return on investment that comes from even small improvements in retention. First, significant revenue protection. A 1 to 2% improvement in retention can protect millions of dollars in revenue for large enterprises. Second, lower acquisition spend. When fewer customers leave, less budget is required to replace them, reducing acquisition costs and freeing up funds for growth initiatives. Third, better margins. Stable retention reduces churn-driven workloads, making operations more efficient and improving overall profitability. For example, with a base of 100,000 customers and an average customer lifetime value of $1,000, a 2% retention improvement equals to $1 million in revenue saved annually. Remember, retention gains don't have to be huge to be powerful. Even small improvements can deliver big financial impact. In summary, high customer retention rate means higher revenue, lower acquisition costs, better operational efficiency, stronger contract performance, and ultimately, higher market valuation. On the other hand, low retention drives up churn costs, strains operations, weakens contracts, and erodes profitability over time. Customer retention isn't just a metric, it's a financial engine that determines the strength and stability of the entire business. Every percentage point of improvement matters. Because when customers stay, profits grow. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.